Shama! Shama! Great fight. Great. Absolutely tremendous bout. Heavyweight. You call for heavyweight now. Leave it. If he says drop down to middleweight. Heavyweight. Don't lie to yourself. That was a heavy cut. You already done it. Heavyweight. I can move up to heavyweight. Yes! Well, congratulations, sir. I'm not watching that next one.
Alex, Jamahal Hill was seen yawning after the fight. Looks like he's implying that the fight was boring. I'm just curious if you can respond to that.
Tem vídeo do Jamahal Hill bocejando depois da luta, como se dizendo que a luta foi chata. O que você acha?
Quem? Eu não entendi.
O Jamahal Hill tem vídeo dele aqui na arena, tipo, bocejando, como se a luta fosse chata.
Tá bom. Pior que é mesmo. Acho que ele acabou de acordar do 300.
Yeah, maybe he just woke up from UFC 300.
Hey, Steven, hey. This guy, man, hey, another breed, man. Different than Anderson, bro. You know. Look at Ed, coach. Look at Ed, coach. Hey, hold on, I'm gonna take a picture of us together. Entra no frame aí, vai.
Pereira. Tudo bem? Alex. Hey, going to Vegas. Deixa minha senhora. Sim. Tira uma foto, cara, depois eu quero tirar uma foto. Can you take one for me?
Yes.
Please. Thank you, guys. And then group shot. Coach, you want to get in there? We got coaches. Yeah, we got coaches. Come on.
Claro, tem que estar todo mundo aqui.
There we go, guys. Awesome.
On top of the world? Good, good. I'm so happy for you. Yeah, soon. What's up, Alex? How are you? Thank you.
Merab beats Ali Umar! Ali! Oh shit! This feels like a fever dream. What the hell? Whoa! Knocked out fucking one. Wrestling was a very smart game plan. Yeah. Look, I talk a lot of shit. I know I do too. I can't call you son no motherfucking more. If anything, I gotta call you motherfucking me an OG now. Oh, let me record this. So when hey, what? I'm dead fucking serious. I'm dead serious. Go ahead, I officially can't call Buckley son no more. If anything, I gotta call this man an OG. He's a veteran of the sport, and he's showing everybody how you supposed to be a real mixed martial artist. Good shit. Appreciate that, kid. Good shit, man. Good shit. No problem. Good job. Can't knock anybody when they do it.
He got hit by Rountree. He got dropped almost by Rountree off of a head kick that he missed. But he settled himself. He strategically broke him down. And when he hit him with that body shot, uppercut, Rountree goes down, fight is over. I mean, the cut, Khalil had a cut, whole eye was split open on the right side, cut underneath, split open on top, cut on the left eye, all from jabs. He was jabbing him and putting that much damage on Khalil Rountree Jr. It was a tremendous performance by Alex Pereira, and that is why, honestly, he's the biggest star we have in the UFC.
Fight's over, heading to the airport, back to the Bay. What a phenomenal night from Salt Lake City. This is truly becoming one of the best cities to watch fights that we go to. So, I love it, man. But 12 Eastern, 9 a.m. Pacific, my instant reaction as to all the action from last night will be live on my YouTube channel from right next to the Octagon. Immediate thoughts, only can get it at my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys don't miss it. Alex Pereira, once again, crazy.
got surgery Thursday. Today's Saturday. It's been fucking 2 days. I feel fucking great. I feel great. I'm gonna come back better than ever. I'll be back next week, just sparring. No, I do think this is gonna be I'm gonna do everything right. I'm gonna recover as fast as I possibly can, and I'm gonna get back. Everyone's like, hey, don't come back too soon. I'm coming back the right amount of soon, but I want to be back ASAP. I want to get these fights in while I'm still, young enough. I turned 30 this month, so I want to recover, do everything right, but I want to get back in there April, May, June latest. Like June will be latest. Like I think I can be back before that. March maybe even would be crazy, but who knows? I'm just going with the flow day by day.
All right, boys, SSFC, Sugar Show Fighting Championships. We're starting it. We're doing it this year. I'm looking for influencers with little to no experience. The goal is to have these influencers have a full, give them a date, have them think about that date, have a full fight experience the whole day, that emotions you feel leading up to a fight. I don't want anyone to get hurt. I don't want anyone to get knocked out. I want them to just experience a fight. 3 2-minute rounds. We can come to agreement whether it's boxing, MMA, kickboxing. I want it to be safe. I don't want anyone to get hurt. I just want them to experience that feeling of a fight, the walkout. I'll have the fight later in the afternoon. So you wake up and you're thinking about that fight all day. I want these influencers to really experience that. I think it'd be badass. It'll be fun. I'm looking to match up people with little to no experience. Sarah Safari versus who? You guys tell me. Start dropping ideas. Sketch, Aiden, Steiny, Kyle from Nelt. It'd be fun to get these guys that emotion, make them feel what it feels like. 3 2-minute rounds, just long enough to get your heart rate up real high to really feel it, but not too long. 6 minutes, come on. 3 times 2. I'm off the oxy and I can still do math. But that's what I'm thinking. SSFC, doing a small event, maybe 4 or 5 people to start it off, see how it does. But really the goal is just to have these influencers feel what it feels like to get in a fight. And so drop some names on some influencers you guys would like to see fight. Boxing, MMA, kickboxing. We could, play around with the rules. I even got bleachers. Check it. Peep it real quick. I even got bleachers. I'm ready for this. SSFC. It's going down. First event this year. I'm off the oxy. I'm making all this shit up as I go. Let's get it. Tag an influencer you'd like to see fight.
Ir a 155. ¿Por qué no? Ya lo he hecho una vez. Podría hacerlo otra vez. Saludos, Ilia. Te ves en un combate con Makhachev. La verdad que por supuesto que me veo. Un gran peleador. A veces habla demasiado, a veces no. Pero siempre lo podemos resolver dentro de un octógono. Ya que fuera no, porque le tendré que pagar toda la recuperación.
Shama. You ready? Yeah, take it. You ready? Yep. Okay. You trained? Strong now. This. Yep. No knees.